Hi, this is Eskluontla. Last time I thought I fixed this issue, but apparently there's still something in here remaining. This the network is still a bit flaky, and we have this exception, and from that line on close the client disconnects all connections. It's an interesting thing. Let's still see if I don't think these logs printed anything because I just disabled it. Yes, no logging in there. It's funny that this seems to happen more often when I run it with Maven than when I run it from within the IDE. Let's run the Maven tests a couple of times. Yeah, well, no, this time it's not happening. Yeah, these tests are slower than all others, probably because they are of the class loading of the Netty library. At least that amount of time corresponds it quite well. Yeah, well, since studies did not yet fix it, then let's try the other option. That we handle the disconnected events. Channel closed and close requested. Okay, at least that one is. The unit tests are passing. Like so. Yeah, well, let's see what happens with that. Since this appears to be a concurrency issue, maybe since I'm recording this on video and that is using a bunch of my CPU time, let's see what kind of a CPU time it takes. Maybe that thing is slowing down the computer so much that it's making that test pass. Okay, like 15 to 25%, so that's like one CPU core, half or full usage. Yeah, well, now it passed. Let's see if it will pass later when I do this clean build on while not recording. Yeah, well, let's write some things to do that. I will do that after recording these things today. Now let's go back to this class. No, I changed the name. It's command executing timeout, and it's in the daemon module. And my idea for fixing this is that I think a bit simpler. I don't need a thread pool, I can just use a single thread and use the sleeping, the time unit class as a helper sleep methods, so that it does the conversion automatically. And then when I cancel it, then I call thread.interrupt. Yeah, we don't need to create that executor lazily. We use this simpler thing. And let's see. The runnable or name, which one is first? It has to be the runnable, and then the name. We do it like that. Oh yeah. Now I should get the event 2 times. Okay, now it's running it a bit too quickly. Oh yeah, and the thing is it also needs to avoid running 2 times, so okay, this is not yet doing anything. I think this should work, yes. Yeah, well actually I don't need any of those. In this class. I could just create it here in the constructor. like this. And let's see, this one, yeah, it's thread safe, as long as that runnable is thread safe, and we cannot mark it not thread safe since our thread safety checker would notice that it's executed from 2 different threads. Okay. I think that's it for this class. And the test appear to run quite reliably. Then we can start hooking these things together. Yeah, those all are final, and in other respects this also seems to be okay. And but I think this thing is not failing, and the issue is that I'm not retrying this. Okay, and now we get interesting thing. Can we write this test so that it's reliable? Okay, well, at least now it's failing in there, because that line was missing. Yeah, but actually, yeah, this happens. It's possible, allowed for it to happen more than once. So actually, this test is not. It is reliable. It's just that sometimes this happens and sometimes this other happens. Let's just write here a note. Okay, well, is this then testing really anything? Oh yeah, we have this thing. Yeah, let's put at least 1 millisecond there. The question is that should we check that the command is not executed twice? But is that really checking? Let's see if this is anything. Okay, tests are not reliable enough. It's a tricky thing. Yeah, well, I could get that thing. No, actually, let's not do it. I can keep this a parameter here. And I will do some reflection trick here and then make these a bit different. And let's see if we get then a bit more reliable tests. Thanks for watching and see you next time.